this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony. If you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only to her, so long as you both shall live. And again in scriptures, we read in the book of Ephesians, wives, submit to your husband, your own husband, as unto the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife, even as Christ is the head of the church, and he is the Savior of the body. Therefore, as the church is subject to Christ, so let wives be subject to their own husbands in everything. And with these words, Victoria, no doubt have this man to be thy wedded husband, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony. Would thou love him, comfort him, honor him, obey him, keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto him, so long as you shall both live. Thank you. You may be seated.